Hello and welcome to Apartment Cookery. Today we will be making a creamy herb chicken. Today we'll be using one package of chicken tenderloins or chicken tenders, and I'm using this just because it's easier than having to cut down a chicken breast, and as the name suggests, it's extremely tender. And just make sure to season with some salt and pepper, and you can put as much as you like or as little as you like. And then we're going to put about a teaspoon of paprika and let this sit in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes before you cook it. Make sure to mix it very well and to add some olive oil. This will help it just coat the chicken better, and it will also cook better in the pan. We are now going to use about 10 to 15 cremini mushrooms, and just make sure that they're washed very well. I'm barely touching these. I'm not actually rubbing them too hard because I don't want the skin to come off. And then we're going to cut these into pretty big, thick slices. Now we will peel and cut 4 shallots, and I'm going to cut them fairly thin. If anyone would like a video just on knife techniques or how to sharpen knives, please leave a comment below. Thank you. If you're curious what garlic I'm using elephant garlic, and it's from Christopher Farms in California, and I use it just because it's easy to peel and the flavor is a little bit more mild, I believe. Now we're just going to do a fine mince. Okay, now I'm just going to use a handful of flat leaf parsley and just give it a nice rough chop. You can also substitute for any fresh herbs that you have on hand. Okay, in a medium hot pan, just drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, we will add the chicken first and just barely cook this. In fact, I didn't even cook it all the way through. I just want to get a nice color on both sides. These chicken tenders will cook very, very fast, so you want to make sure not to cook them too much. They're also going to cook in the sauce, so don't cook very much. After you have removed the chicken, put a little more olive oil, and now we're going to put the mushrooms and the shallots, and we're going to cook these down until they're just about soft. And then we're going to put some salt to taste and just a little bit of butter, and you're going to want to saute this not too long because they're going to finish off in the cream sauce. Now that the shallots and the mushrooms have a little color, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of the chopped garlic, and we're going to lightly saute this. And once again, we're not going to hammer this because we're going to try to finish it off in the cream sauce. If your sauce is a little thin or thinner than you like, you can add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. You could also add a little flour to the shallots and mushrooms as they're cooking and just brown it before you add the cream sauce. We will now add the chicken back to the sauce and add a little bit of freshly cracked pepper and a handful of Parmesan. After adding the Parmesan, you're going to want to turn off the heat, and then we're going to add that freshly chopped parsley from earlier, and then you just salt to taste, put a little more pepper or whatever you like, and you can serve this with pasta or rice. Once again, thank you for watching Apartment Cookery, and if you like what you're seeing, be sure to check out more videos, and have a great day.